Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Dr. Mridula here. So can kids get eye allergies? Well, absolutely. It is very common to see eye allergies among kids. In fact, I would say it is a little more common in kids than in adults. Also, if there's a family history where there is allergy, asthma or eczema, then it is a little more common for those kids to get eye allergies. So when the child has eye allergy, the most common symptom that you will see them is rub their eyes. Constantly they have that urge to constantly rub their eyes, and the itchy sensation is constantly there. Along with that, they will also be having watering from their eyes, swollen eyelids, puffy eyes, especially in the morning. And they might also having a mild sensitivity to light. They might feel a little difficult to look at sunlight. So what could be the most common triggering factor for this allergic reaction? So from my experience, I have seen that the pollen, especially when it changes from one season to another, what we call as a seasonal allergic reaction, pollen reaction is a very, very common thing that we notice. Along with that, even dust mites, or when you have pets at home like cats and dogs, their tiny particles or their hair can also be a triggering factor. Or if kids constantly swim, even the chlorine can also be a triggering factor for this allergic reaction. So I tell parents not to worry, do not panic, it will subside. It is generally it's a temporary phase that the kids generally go through. So most common is make sure as much as possible the kids don't rub their eyes. Ask them to use wash their eyes with cold water or give them a cold compression. Or if it is very mild, then you could also use a lubricating eye drops or even an anti-allergy or an antihistamine eye drops. And in some cases, you might also require an oral histamine to actually subside or to reduce the allergic reactions. Think about it. Take care.